welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Coldfire, and today I am going to be reacting to Elvis Presley, Kentucky Rain. This is just the official audio. I'll probably react to the live version whenever I get further down the road, but I know that this was one of my favorites growing up, listening to my older brother who idolized Elvis Presley. Like I said, growing up in the house, it was Elvis everywhere. That and the Carpenters, until I brought Patsy Cline in. But anyways, this is Kentucky Rain, and let's go in and give it a try.
Seven lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. I showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I find in you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Wow. You know, when Elvis really wanted to sing a song, he really could sing a song. And that's not saying that none of his music is bad. What I'm saying is, when he wanted to sing a heartfelt song other than, you know, like Jailhouse Rock and all the ones that he was known for in his rock and roll career, this is one of those that stand out as kind of like a ballad, rock ballad, before rock ballads were popular. because you can hear the raw emotion that is in Elvis's voice in this song. You can feel the longing and the hurting and the relatability in this song. This song basically speaks of he was with the person that he felt the most secure with and love, and then one night she just disappeared. And it shows how he is going, and no matter what happens, he is determined to find her. And he speaks about the cold Kentucky rain. So that speaks magnitudes of love when you're searching for someone, no matter if it's the elements of the weather, that is cold and rainy, and he's going city to city, he's asking people about her. It's like you're looking for that missing person report, and you're trying to gather all the information you can, and he's not going to stop until he finds this woman that he so desperately loves. And it's a heartbreaking song, because you want it to have a good ending where the song ends where he eventually finds her. But I guess that's the point of the song, having such raw emotions. And a casual person listening to this song would just be, just torn up listening to this song because of the vulnerability of Elvis singing this type of song. And like I said, it speaks of profound love, that missing that person because they left for whatever reason, but he wants to find her and nothing's going to stop him. And who's to say the reason why she left? But sometimes in life you go looking for that person to find out, hey, why did you leave? Was it something that I did wrong? Was it something that I could have corrected? Or was it just you fell out of love with me? But no matter what, he's saying that he's going to keep searching for her. And the song goes on, and it doesn't end with a conclusion. It just basically says that in retrospective ways, for there not being an ending to the song means he hasn't found her yet, which means no matter how long it takes him in life to find her, he's going to keep searching, no matter what the outcome is. So like I said, this has always been, one of my personal favorites of his, because, like I said, it shows his vulnerability, his raw emotion, and is able to adapt to that, from the rock to that country kind of elements blended together. Because that is what the King was known for. He was known for putting all of those elements of genres into one song to make it appeal to the masses. And that's why he is ranked up there with, the Beatles as far as the biggest selling artist in history. And hey, this is why. I mean, just listen to his music and you'll find something that you'll eventually like by him if you are not an Elvis fan, which is hard to believe if you're not. But like I said, I never grew up being an Elvis fan because I was young, didn't understand music that and what this song represented until I got older. But anyways, that was Elvis Presley, Kentucky Rain, the official audio. This one said it was in high definition. That's why I chose this one. But I do hope that you enjoyed that reaction to this incredible song by the King of Rock and Roll, Elvis Presley. Until my next video reaction, I wish you peace, love, and happiness from the U.S. to wherever you are in the world. Love you guys. See you on the next vid. Bye-bye.